Hello and welcome to Web Answers. So in this video tutorial I will let you know how you can add a privacy page to your WordPress website. So you can see there is right now no privacy page exists here. So how to add that? Just go to the dashboard of your website and there you need to go to the settings and then under that you will find a privacy tab. Now you will see that you can see here is the page. You can select any page to use as a privacy policy. So this one is selected as by default and you need to click on this use this page. Now go to the pages and you will see a privacy page is present here. Just click on edit. Make sure to do some edits if you required. You can see this one. You can change the text or anything else. You can make something bold or italic or any other thing. So after doing all the edits you need to just click on this publish icon. Now you can view your page. So this one is the privacy page present here. You can also refresh the site. Now you will see that a privacy page is present here. So in this way you can add a privacy policy page to your WordPress website. You can also add this page on the footer area or on the header area if you required. So in this way you can add this page. So if you found anything good in the video then make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks.